Is this not the cutest face mask you have ever seen?
Hey everybody, welcome back to the Mastication Station. It's me, Sade, and today we are having shrimp cocktail with these little baby bell peppers that I love. I'm trying out my new lighting today. It's a little wonky, but I will get it figured out. So let's get started. Just got these little baby shrimpies with shrimp cocktail. They're really good. Come here. This lighting setup came with like different filters, so I may have to try some of those out. And I'll probably have to change the angle of my camera. Which means I'll have to get a new tripod. Just a smaller one. These are super, super good. Last of the shrimp. Stay at the stem. I feel like with the sliding, I should be telling a scary story or something. Kind of spooky. Last bite. That was really good. Well, now gotta make a run to the store. Unfortunately, I don't know if it's just our luck. Me and Derek, it never fails. We've lived together for what? 2.5 years? We've gone through at least 8 coffee pots because one of us either drops it and breaks it or some freak accident and it breaks. Like the last time, not from last night, but the time from before, we have no idea how it broke. But I was filling it up to start a pot of coffee, and as soon as I finished filling it up with water, lift it up, and there's just a perfect hole in the very bottom of it, and just all the water is coming out. How that happens with a glass coffee pot, I have no idea, but it was a perfectly round hole. And then last night, it was sitting on the counter because we had just washed it out, and I was about to put it with the coffee maker, and Derek closed the fridge, and a bottle that had been sitting up there forever decided last night it wanted to fall off of the fridge onto the counter, and there was at least 5 other things of glassware on that counter, but the only thing that it pushed off the counter was the coffee pot, and it just shattered. So I don't know if it's the universe telling us we need to cut back on caffeine, but But it ain't gonna happen. So I have to run to the store, go get another coffee pot, and grab a couple other things that we need to get. So yeah, got my face mask here that I got yesterday from Derek's aunt. Let me show you guys.
Is this not the cutest face mask you have ever seen?
Of course, probably not very effective, but it's so cute. So I'm gonna head to the store, get another coffee pot, a couple of things, and head back. So I will see you guys on the next one. Hopefully it doesn't look well spooky the way that it looked today. So